Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change your email in Oculus app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to change email in Oculus app, you need to simply tap open the app itself. So once you open the app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the menu option. So once you tap on the menu option, you will end up in this page. So simply tap on settings, and from the settings you need to now select the account settings. So from account settings, you will be redirected to this interface where all you need to do is simply tap on personal details. Once you go and tap on personal details, you need to now tap on personal details once again, and from there you can simply tap on contact info. There you can find that you have one email address, so simply tap on add new contact and add email. So once you have added a new email by typing in your email address and then hitting the continue button, you will get a email verification code which you need to type in to verify that the email address you are using is yours. So once you have typed in the verification code that has been sent, you need to tap on the next button. So once you do so, you can see that you have two emails in your contact information. So now to change your email, you can simply tap on the email you're not using and hit the delete email option. So now you can see that the next email is only available on your contact, and this is how you can simply change your email address in your Oculus app following these simple, easy steps. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.